Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're going to discuss the topic synchronization, how you are going to make your script execution in align with your application. There are some situations where your script may get into a runtime issues, particularly when the application is taking some time to process a particular transaction or to display a window or to get that particular button enabled. Whatever the reason it is, the application is going to take some time. By the time your script will move on to the next line, that's where the script ran into different issues. Say for example, you are trying to capture the order number after it creates, but application is taking long time to create that order, but your script is going to move to the next line to capture the order number. But by the time the application didn't complete to create the order, but your script is trying to capture the order, that's where it get into these runtime issues. The other reason is like, okay, say you log in and then it's going to take some time to display the next window, or once you open the application, it's going to take a lot of time to display the login window. So these are the scenarios where you can make your script execution in align with your application speed. So what are the different ways how we can do this synchronization? So you're going to put wait statement. You are asking script to wait for that long to make sure the dialog displayed, and then you instruct your QTP to move to the next line. Or you're going to check whether that particular object exists. Or you're going to use the sync method, insert synchronization points, or you can also increase the default synchronization timeout. So we're going to exercise these things in today's demo. So first we're going to start with say wait statement, how we are going to do that. So let us quickly create a script. So I'm going to open the application using this record and run settings. This is the application, and then let's record the script. Okay, so let's close this window and stop recording. So now actually you might have noticed the application is taking some time to display the flight duration window after login. Sometimes what happens is when you are trying to run the script, your application is so fast enough and the application is taking a long time to display this reservation window. That's where your script may get into some runtime issues. So let's see how you can overcome those problems. So there is a default synchronization timeout. This is a tool setting what you can do. It is under file settings, then under run section there is a default object synchronization timeout 20 seconds. What it means is the script has to wait for this 20 seconds to make sure whatever the next step you are doing, right? The script is going to say, for example, here after you click login, the script is going to display. The script has to wait for the flight duration window to be displayed. In case if the flight duration window is not displayed in 20 seconds, your script get into runtime issues because the flight duration window is not displayed in 20 seconds. In case if the flight duration window is displayed 10 seconds, then your script will move to the next line. This is the default synchronization timeout. You can increase this timeout, say instead of 20 seconds, okay, I want to put say 50 seconds. You can do that, so that the script is going to wait for that many seconds. So this is one way how you can do the tool default synchronization timeout. And the next one is, so you can also increase the default synchronization timeout. Like as I mentioned, like you can put, say instead of 30 seconds, you can also put 50 seconds. Then the other way is you can put in your script the wait statement, and then you're asking your script, say wait for 20 seconds here. This is a little bit like the rude way, like you're asking your script to wait for that many seconds at this particular line after it clicks OK button. What this 20 seconds is, 20 plus 20, it has to wait for 40 seconds, right? Because 20 is the default synchronization timeout, and in addition you're asking to script wait for additional 20 seconds here. So this is through wait statement. So what is the other way how you can do this synchronization? So you can also put exist, right? So you're going to say something like the do loop, do until, then you're going to say window exist. So that what it's going to do is, instead of you ask the script wait for that many seconds, the fixed timings, what this statement is going to do is, it's going to do this loop until the flight duration window exists. If it exists, then immediately it will close that window. That means it don't wait for 20 seconds here. As long as this will loop through till that particular window displays. If it displays, then it come out from this loop, and then it's going to close that window. So this is the other way, like how you can verify the existence of a particular window and handle it. And also there is other way, like you can use the insert synchronization timeout. So that is possible you can do with recording. So you can put the synchronization timeout here, insert synchronization point, and there it's going to ask the object and then what is that property you want to verify. So it's going to verify that property and then see if that particular button enable or disable, then it's going to wait that, and that way just you can handle the synchronization. So most of the time this is the preferred way, like you can verify the object existence, or you can also check some conditions, right? Okay, if that particular button enabled or disabled, then you can also keep that in the loop. Okay, you're going to go through this loop till that particular button enabled. If that enables, then it immediately move to the next line. So these are the different ways how you can make your script execution in align with the application. So instead of doing this rude way, like okay, wait for 20 seconds, this is a smart way. It's like you can verify the particular object status, and then accordingly you can instruct your QTP to move to the next line. All right. So that's about the synchronization. Mainly the concept behind this synchronization is, so you're going to look at your script execution in line with your application to avoid any kind of runtime errors. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please watch and the other videos, and talk to you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.